Hello friends, this is in continuation with my previous videos regarding drop-down lists. Please visit my channel to watch the previous videos. If the drop-down lists are long, generally we need to scroll through the list to search our required option. Not anymore. With the help of searchable drop-down lists, we can get it quickly. So to learn about this, please watch the video till the end. Hi friends, I am Barun from Learn It More. In this channel, you will find topics to learn more about Excel, Word, and such other platforms. Please share your comments and let me know what you want to learn about Excel. I will create videos on those topics which would help you. So today, I am going to tell you about searchable drop-down lists. So you can see here, we have a drop-down list with employee names. Now, if we want to select name of any employee, we need to scroll down through the scroll bar and then search for the name that we are looking for. So to avoid that, we can create searchable drop down like this. I'll show you. If I type C and click here, you can see the names with C is appearing here. Not only one character, we can search with multiple characters as well. See? Now, this has further reduced our list. Generally, we find VBA solution to create such lists for which we need VBA coding knowledge. But today I am going to show you how to create it with Excel formulas. So let's build it. So this is the list with which we are going to create our drop-down list. We can keep this list anywhere in the sheet. We can keep it in another sheet, or we can keep it further right and hide it from others. For the sake of this video and so that I do not need to toggle between sheets, I'm keeping this data just in front of you. So our first step would be to check whatever is written in this field is available in which of these names. For this, we will use Excel function called search equals to search. What we need to find? We need to find the value which we have put in our field. We will freeze this range so that when we drag the formula it don't get changed, comma. Where we need to find? We need to find this in this adjacent option. From which place we need to find? We need to find this from the beginning of the option, that is number 1 position. Bracket close, enter. Now if I drag this, it will give me a number wherever it finds this character or the set of characters in our options and give error where it did not find. Now the next step is to get rid of this error value. To do that, we will use another function which is isNumber. Within isNumber, we will write our search function. Then bracket close, enter. Now drag this formula. See, it has given true where it found something and given false where it did not find anything. Now we need to convert this to a serial number. So if this returns true, then we will say give it a serial number. So first of all, let's say 1, then comma. If it is does not gives a true value or it gives a false value, we will say give return as blank. Enter. So if we drag this formula now, you can see everywhere there is 1 wherever it found a value, and others for errors or false it gave a blank. It is giving 1 for all the matching options. However, we need an incremental serial number here. We will use max formula to replace 1. Equals to max, select the previous cell of our selected cell, colon, again select the previous cell of our selected cell. Now freeze the first selection and add 1 to it. And then I'll drag the formula. Now you see we have a serial number with incremental value. Now if I write something else, say BA, so it will give only 2 values. So this is our basic list from where we will check whether we have a data which what we are searching or not. Once we have done this, we will create another list here. I'm creating in column Q. So next step is we will add serial number for our new drop down list. We will use the max formula here, equals to max so from the first row till the previous row we will find what is the max, and then we will add 1. So we have added 1. Now we will drag the formula. It is giving 20. However, the max serial number what we have in our true list is 16. So we need to restrict this serial number to max to 16. That is the maximum value of this column. To do that, what we will do, we will add if condition to this. So if max this plus 1 is greater than max, that is maximum value in column M. I will freeze this column M, this range. Then this will be a 0, or this cell will contain blank. And if it is not more than the maximum value, that then it will add 1. And then bracket close. Here we will have to freeze our first column, select the first cell and press F4. Similarly here also, wherever we are adding, enter, and then we will drag our formula. Now you see we have the numbers till 16. which is the maximum here. See, it has found BA only in two options. So it has given 2, 1 and 2. Now this range has also adjusted to 2. Now we will populate the values against these serial numbers. For this, we will use simple Vlookup formula equals to Vlookup. What is our lookup value? Our lookup value is this 1, which is our serial number, comma. So lookup array will keep the complete columns of our source table, that is M and employee name and its serial number, comma. So our lookup index will be 2 here because our name is in the second position to our serial number, comma, and our search will be exact match, which is 0. Then bracket close, enter. See, we have the name now against 1. Now if we drag this formula, we will see that we have got the names where we have number, but there is a name which is appearing, the single name which is appearing for rest of the fields. So to rectify this, we will put if condition here. So our VLOOKUP will be inside our if condition, equals to if bracket open serial number against this cell is blank, then it will give a blank value, else it will look up the value from the other table and enter. So now we have only 2 names. Our next step is to create a named range with our found list. For this, we will use offset formula. So I will go to formulas tab, then define name. So it is, we are giving this name, this range name as drop down list. Then in this refers to field, we will update our formula, which is offset bracket open our first value, comma, rows and columns will be blank. Then our height will be the maximum value that we have in our serial number. So we will put max formula here, bracket open. We will use this column M, the base data serial number, brackets closed, comma, width will be 1 column, bracket close. Okay. Now if I check our name is created correctly or not. So first of all, let's delete this search here. Now we will add our drop down list to this field. For that, we will go to data, data validation in data tools. In settings tab, we will select list from allow field, and in source field, we will update our range name. F3 and get the range name. Our range name was drop down list. OK. Then I'll click OK. Now if you see, we are getting the complete list. Now if we want to search something, say BA, so it will not allow us. Now for this, what we will have to do is cancel it. Go to our data validation, go to error alert tab, then check off this show error alert after invalid data is entered, and then click on OK. Now it will allow us to write our values. So let's write BA. So now when I select check, only two names are appearing here. If I say AN and check, only this number of names are appearing here. So our searchable drop down is ready. Now we can search and select from our drop down list. That's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Hope you have learned something. Thanks for watching. Please share your valuable comments, and also comment if you want to know something, and I will definitely try to get your queries answered. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do share the video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant updates whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.